गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स। लोक श्रद्धा मंदिर व कनिष्ठ महाविद्यालय मंदिर स्टडी फ्रॉम होम अंतर्गत इयत्ता 9वीचा विषय गणित भाग 2 याचा अभ्यास आपण करणार आहोत. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, मागच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण 9वीचा भाग 2चा फर्स्ट टॉपिक आपण पाहिलेला आहे, बेसिक कन्सेप्ट इन जॉमेट्री. याचा आपण स्टडी करत होतो. लास्ट लेक्चरला आपण पॉईंट, लाईन आणि प्लेन, त्याच्यानंतर कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ ए पॉईंट्स अँड डिस्टन्स याच्याबद्दल आपण स्टडी केलेला आहे. आज आपण बिटवीननेस याचा अभ्यास आपण करणार आहोत. पहा विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, फर्स्ट वन, we revise the coordinates of a points and distance. Observe the following number lines. There are some points -5 to +5 and some letters A, B, C, O, D and E. Now A denotes the point -5 and therefore -5 is the coordinates of A. Similarly, B denotes the point -3, therefore -3 is the coordinates of point B. Number -2 denotes the point C, therefore coordinates of point C is -2. In this way, coordinates of O is 0, coordinates of D is 1 and coordinates of E is 3. And also study about the how to find distance between the 2 points. Suppose A point is -2. Now here suppose A point is -2 and D point is 1. We have to find the distance between A and D. We count the how many points between A and D. Let's count from A to D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hence the distance between AD is 6. Now by calculation we find the distance between AD. By calculation, distance between AD is equal to the find the number between A and D, or find first one. Coordinates of A is -5 and coordinates of D is 1. Now here larger number is 1 and smaller number is -5. We know that distance between 2 points is difference between larger number and smaller number. Now here larger number is 1 and minus smaller number is -5 and distance between 1 and AD is 1, minus get plus, and +5 is equal to 6. Answer between hence AD is 6. We find the answer between A and D, or distance between A and D is 6. Now A coordinate is -5, D coordinate is 1. In this way we can solve some example on the practice set 1.1. Question number 1, find the distance between the 2 points in the given line. And second question, the coordinates of point A is x and coordinates of point B is y. We have to find distance AB. That means coordinates of A is x, that means 1, and coordinates of B is y, that means of 7. We find the distance between AB is 7 minus 1, that means 6. In this way we solve this example, question number 1 and question number 2, from practice set 1.1. Now today we study about betweenness. What is meant by between? Suppose there are 3 points. First point P, Q, R. There are 3 distinct points, collinear points. Collinear means in the same line. Collinear points. There are 3 possibilities. First one, suppose first point is P, second point is Q, and third point is R. That means P and R the end points and Q are the between P and R. Hence we say that Q point is between P and R. This point is known as betweenness. Now in second example or figure, see that second possibility is first point is P. In first point is P and last point is R. In second example, first point is P and last one is R, and R is between P and Q. Hence R is the point, R is between P and Q. Now in betweenness, R is between P and Q. And third possibility is R is the first point, P is the second point, and Q is the third point. That means R and Q are the end points and P is between R and Q. This is known as betweenness. That means P point is between R and Q. In this way we can write first example Q is between P and R. And how to write the between is first one distance BQ plus distance QR. That means distance PQ plus distance QR is equal to distance PR, and it is denoted as P dash Q dash R. In second example, how to write distance PR plus distance RQ is equal to distance PQ. That means PRQ. And third example, distance RP plus distance PQ is equal to distance RQ. That means RPQ. In this way we can solve the sum example. Now suppose example number 1. There are 3 points A, B, C. A number line, there are 3 points A, B, C such that AB is equal to 5 and BC is equal to 11 and AC is equal to 6. That means distance between AB is 5, distance between BC is 11 and distance between AC is 6. Now in this way, now in this number line, distance between BC is 11. That means BC is a larger number and smaller number is 5 and 6. Add these two numbers, 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. That means point A, B, C are the collinear. Now here we have to find which of the point is between the other two. Now which of the point A, B, C between the other two can decide as follows. First one, now larger number is 11, say equation number 1. That means distance BC is equal to 11, equation number 1, and adding the remaining two distance AB is 5 and distance AC is 6. That means distance AB plus distance AC. Now here distance AB plus distance AC is equal to 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. It is the equation number 2. From 1 and 2 both right sides are equal. Now here is 11 and here is 11. Both right sides are equal, hence left side also equal. That means distance BC is equal to distance AB plus distance AC. That means now B and C is the end points and now remaining point is A, hence A point is between B and C. So the figure B and C is the end point and A is the between B and C. Now here BA, that means AB is equal to 5 and AC is equal to 6. 6 plus 5 is equal to BC and BC is equal to 11. Hence distance BC is equal to distance AB plus distance AC. That means B and C is the end points and A is between B and C. In this way solve another example. So now here is a second example. Now point 3, there are U, V and A are 3 cities on a straight road. The distance between U and A is 215 km, between V and A is 140 km and between U and A is 75 km. Which of them is between the other two? That means there are 3 cities. First one, there are 3 cities. First one U, V and A. We have to find which city is between other two cities. Now first known as between U and A is 215 km and between V and A is 14 km and between U and A is 75 km. We can write in mathematical expression. First one UA. UA is 215 km, VA is 140 km and distance UV is 75 km. Now largest number is 215. We add the smallest number 140 and 75. That means distance VA and distance UV. Now here show distance UV and distance VA. That means 75 plus 140 is equal to 215. Hence distance UA also 215. Both are same. Hence 3 points are in the same line and end points is U and A. therefore remaining point is V. That means city V is between the cities U and A. In this way we can solve the some example. Now here we have to give question number 3 from practice set 1.1. Show the example. From the information given below, find which of the point is between the other two if the points are not collinear. State so. First show that the points are collinear or not. Give the example number 1. Now here distance PR is equal to 7, distance PQ is equal to 10 and distance QR is equal to 3. Now here distance PQ is a larger number 10 and remaining smaller number is 7 and 3. Adding them to 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. Hence the point PQ are the collinear. Now we have to find which of the point is between P and between the other two. Now here largest number is 10. That means P and Q is the end points and remaining point is R. Hence R is the between P and Q. Hence similarly we can solve the second example. Now here see the second example. Distance RS is equal to 8, distance ST is equal to 6, distance RT is equal to 4. Now here largest number is 8 and the adding the remaining two numbers 6 plus 4 is equal to 10, but 10 is not equal to 8. Hence the point RST are the not on the same line, therefore they are not collinear. Hence we cannot find the between two other. In second example the points are not collinear. Now in the third example, distance AB is 16, CA is 9 and BC is 7. The largest number is 16 and remaining two number add that them 9 plus 7. 9 plus 7 is also 16. Hence the 3 points A, B and C are collinear. Now end points are A, B because largest number is 16. Hence end points are A and B and the remaining point is C. Hence C is the between A and B. Now in this way, in third example or fourth example, LM is 11, MN is 12 and NL is 8. Now largest number is 12. Remaining addition of remaining two numbers 11 plus 8 is 19 and 19 is not equal to 12. Hence the 3 points are not collinear. Not collinear means the points are not between the other two. In this way, fifth example, xy is equal to 15, yz equal to 7, xz is equal to 8. Now largest number is 15 and adding the remaining two numbers 7 plus 8 is also 15. Hence x and yz are the collinear points and x and y are the end points and z remaining point is z. Z is between x and y. In this way, last example, D is 5, EF is 8 and DF is 6. Now here largest number is 8. Largest number is 8 and smallest number 5 and 6. Addition of 5 and 6 is 11 and 11 is not equal to 8. Hence these 3 points D, E, F are the not collinear. Not collinear means there are no point between the other two. In this way we solve example number 3. If any doubt then ask me. Okay, thank you.